Subtracting the given numbers in group of tens with the help of borrowing.
Friends, today in this video, we will learn subtraction by borrowing using groups of tens with the help of conversation between Chi-Chi and Choo-Choo.
Oh, Choo-Choo, when are you coming? Here, I have come. Oh, your house is very beautiful. Thank you, Choo-Choo. Would you like to eat chocolate? Yummy. We ate 18 chocolates out of 52. So now how many chocolates are left? I don't know. Chi-Chi, let's do subtraction after writing 52 and 18 in the box of ones and tens. Yes, let's do it. You had 52 chocolates, which means 5 tens and 2 ones chocolates. We ate 18, means 1 10 and 8 ones chocolates of them. So, here we have to perform 52 minus 18. So first of all, we will perform subtraction of the numbers in the box of ones. But here 2 is smaller number compared to 8. So how can we subtract big number from a small number? We cannot subtract a big number from a smaller number. So, here we will borrow 1 tens from the number 5 of the box of tens. It means the number in the place of ones can borrow from its neighbor number in the box of tens, right? Yes, so here borrowing 1 10 from the 5 tens in the place of tens means subtracting 1 10 from 5 tens, which makes it 4 tens. Oh, so here 1 10 will be less in the place of tens. Absolutely right. Now in the box of ones, it will be 1 borrowed tens equal to 10 ones. Now it will be 2 ones plus 10 ones, meaning 12 ones in the box of ones. Now if we subtract 8 ones from 12 ones, we will have 1, 2, 3 and 4 left. Yes, so we will write 4 in the place of ones. Now, we have to subtract the numbers of the tens place. If we subtract 1 10 from 4 tens, we will get 3 tens. So, we will write 3 in the place of tens. So this way, after eating 18 chocolates from 52 chocolates, we would have 34 chocolates left. Now, if we will eat 15 more chocolates out of the 34 chocolates, then how many chocolates would we have left with? How many would be left if we will subtract 15 from 34? Let's count it. 34 means 3 10 and 4 ones. 15 means 1 tens and 5 ones. We cannot subtract 5 from 4 in the box of ones. So we will borrow 1 tens from 3 tens from the box of tens. So if we subtract 1 10 from 3 tens of box of tens, then we would have 2 tens. We will write 2 at the top of the box of tens. Now we will have 1 borrowed 10 means 10 ones plus 4 ones equal to 14 ones in the box of ones. Now if we subtract 5 ones from 14 ones, we would have 9 ones left. So we will write 9 in the place of ones. Now if we subtract 1 10 from 2 tens in the place of tens, then we will have 1 10 left. So we will write 1 in the box of tens. So this way, if we eat 15 chocolates from 34 chocolate, then we would have 19 chocolates left. Choo-Choo, would you eat more chocolates? Oh no! Now if I will eat more chocolates, then my teeth will get cavities. Yes, you are right. Chichi, let us make a bouquet with these roses. Yes, let's do it.
Children, in this video, you have learned subtracting the given numbers in groups of tens with the help of borrowing. In the next video, we will see how Chichi and Chuchu use borrowing for subtractions while making a bouquet of flowers. Children, you have learned how to subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing in the previous video. In this video, we will see some examples to perform subtraction with borrowing, listening to the conversation between Chichi and Chuchu.
Chichi, let's decorate the house by making a bouquet of these 34 roses. Yes, let's make it. I will make a bouquet of 17 flowers and you make a bouquet with the remaining flowers. If you will make a bouquet with 17 flowers of the 34 flowers, then how many flowers would be left for me to make a bouquet? Let's subtract 17 from 34. Yes, first of all, we will write these numbers in the box of ones, tens and then perform the subtraction. But here we cannot subtract 7 from 4 in the box of ones. So, we will borrow 1 10 from 3 tens in the box of tens. Yes, so now we will write 14 ones instead of 4 in the box of ones and 2 tens instead of 3 tens in the box of tens. Now, first of all, if we will subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 from 14 in the place of ones, then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 left in the place of ones. Now look here. If we subtract 1 10 from 2 tens, then we will have 1 10 in the box of tens. Yes, so this way, if I make a bouquet with 17 flowers from 34 flowers, then you too will have 17 flowers left to make a bouquet. Oh wow! We would have the same number of flowers. Now let's both make a bouquet like this by taking all our flowers together. Oh, look, these beautiful bouquets are ready. Let's put these in that flower vase. Wow, it looks beautiful. Okay, Chichi, now I have to go. Yes, see you.
Children, I hope you have learned how to subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing a little better with the help of this video. In the next video, we will understand what mistake does Chichi make while performing subtraction with borrowing. Children, you have learned how to subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing in the previous video. In this video, we will learn some interesting facts related to subtraction using borrowing with the help of the conversation between Chichi and Chuchu. Oh, what is this? Chichi is counting her jellies again and again. I think she is having some difficulty in counting the jellies. Look, Choo Choo has come. He will definitely help Chi-Chi. Let's see.
Hello, Gigi. Oh, what happened? Why are you so upset? Oh, Choo-Choo, I had 50 jellies with me. And from those, I gave 23 jellies to my friend Meaty. So I should have 37 jellies left with me. But there are only 27 jellies here. Gigi, you gave 23 jellies from your 50 jellies, right? Yes. So now tell me, how did you know that 50 minus 23 is equal to 37? Look here, I did 50 minus 23 with the help of the table of ones, tens, and I got 37 as the answer. Oh, Gigi, look here carefully. You borrowed 1 from 5 tens of the box of tens and wrote 10 ones in the place of ones. But you forgot to subtract 1 10 from 5 tens in the box of tens. Oh yes, you are right, Choo-Choo. So here if we will subtract 1 10 from 5 tens in the box of tens, then it will be 4 tens. If we will subtract 2 tens from 4 tens, then we will be left with 2 tens. Yes, so this way, if we will subtract 23 jellies from 50 jellies, then you will be left with only 27 jellies. Yes, now I have understood it well. Thank you so much, Choo-Choo. Look, Gigi, in subtraction, whenever we borrow 10 from a digit, we have to reduce that digit by a 10. Yes, Choo-Choo, from now on I will remember that.
Did you see how easily Choo Choo solved Chi-Chi's difficulty? So, today we have learned some interesting facts related to subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. In the next video, we will understand how both subtraction and addition are useful.
Addition and subtraction sums. Friends, today in this video, we will learn the usage of addition and subtraction in our daily life with the help of Chi-Chi and Choo-Choo.
Hey, Choo-Choo, where are you going with this fan?
Chi-Chi, my fan is not working. I am going to get it repaired.
Choo-Choo, let's go. I will also come with you.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, brother, take a look. This fan is not working.
Oh, Choo-Choo brother, you are too much. Now take a new fan. The new fan is for 78 rupees only. Chi-Chi, I have only 58 rupees as of now. How can I take a new fan from only this much money?
Don't worry, Choo-Choo. I will talk to the fan seller. Brother, how many rupees would you give for this old fan?
I will give 32 rupees for this old fan.
Look, Choo-Choo, you have 58 rupees now. And you will get 32 rupees for this old fan. So total, how many rupees would you have?
To know that, we would have to do the addition of 58 and 32 after putting them in the box of 110s.
Yes, So now if we will add numbers 8 and 2 of the box of 1's unit, then after 8 there will be 9 and 10. There are 0 ones and 1 tens in 10. So we will put 0 in the place of ones and we will carry over 1 in the place of tens.
Now if we will add 5 and 3 of the box of tens, then after 5 it will be 6, 7, 8 tens. And if we will add 1 carry over to 8 tens, it will be 9 tens. So it will be 9 tens after adding 32 to 58.
Yes, 9 tens means 90 rupees. Oh yes, if I sell old fan, then I will have a total of 90 rupees.
So if I will give 90 rupees to the fan seller and buy a new fan for 78, how many rupees would have I left?
Let's go. Now put 90 and 78 in the box of 1's tens and subtract 78 from 90.
First of all, we will do the subtraction of numbers of box of ones. Here we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we will borrow 1 10 from the 9 tens of the box of tens.
So we will write 10 ones in place of 0 in the box of ones.
Now if we will subtract 8 ones from 10 ones, then it will be 1 and 2 ones left.
Now look here, if we will subtract 7 tens from 8 tens of the box of tens, then 1 10 would be left.
Yes, so in this way, if we will subtract 78 from 90, then 110 and 2 ones means 12 rupees would be the balance amount.
Oh wow, Choo-Choo! Now you would buy a new fan and also save 12 rupees.
You are right, Chichi.
So Choo-Choo, buy the new fan now.
Okay, Chichi. Brother, take these 58 rupees and this old fan. Take this, Choo-Choo brother, your new fan. And the balance 12 rupees.
Oh brother, does this new fan work properly?
Yes, look here.
Nice
cold air. Thank you, brother.
Choo-Choo, give a party of the new fan from the remaining 12 rupees.
Okay, Chichi.
Bye, Choo-Choo.
Friends, today we learned the usage of addition and subtraction in our daily life. In the next video, we will learn about some interesting examples related to addition and subtraction. Friends, in this video, we will see that Chi-Chi has come to her friend Choo-Choo's house to attend a party for the purchase of a new fan. So today, we will learn addition and subtraction while listening to their conversation.
Hello, Choo-Choo.
Come, Chichi.
Oh wow, Choo-Choo. Your new fan is giving out cold air. Now give a party from the remaining 12 rupees after buying this new fan.
Chichi, what could we buy from 12 rupees? Look, I have 80 rupees with me now. Chichi, tell me whatever you want to eat. I will call uncle at the hotel and order a pizza for you and a burger for me.
Choo-Choo, pizza costs 45 rupees and burger costs 29 rupees. So what will be the total cost of both?
Come on, Let's put 45 and 29 in the box of ones, tens and do their addition. We have to add the numbers of the box of ones first. Here, if we will add 5 ones to the bigger number 9, after 9 it will be 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There are 4 ones and 1 tens in 14. So, we will write 4 in the place of ones and carry over 1 in the place of tens at the top. Now, if we will add 2 tens in the bigger number, 4 tens in the box of tens, it will be 6 tens, and if we will add 1 ten carry over in 6 tens, then it will be 7 tens. So in this way, if we will add 29 rupees to 45 rupees, it will be 7 tens and 4 ones means 74 rupees. So the total price of 1 pizza and 1 burger will be 74 rupees. Chuchu, you have 80 rupees. If you will spend 74 rupees from them, total how many rupees would you be left with? Come on, let's do the subtraction of 74 from 80 to know this. First of all, we will do subtraction of numbers of the box of ones. Here we cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we will borrow 1 ten from 8 tens. Now it will be 10 ones in place of 0 in the box of ones and 7 tens in the place of 8 tens in the box of tens. Now if we will subtract 4 ones from 10 ones, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ones left. And if we will subtract 7 tens from 7 tens, it will be 0 left in the box of tens. Yes. So in this way, if we will subtract 74 rupees from 80 rupees, it will be 6 ones means 6 rupees will be left. Now, let me call the uncle at the hotel. Oh, Chuchu, stop. We should not eat junk food at all. Yes, stop. I will bring halwa made by my mother. Take this halwa. My mother has made it. I had so much fun, Chuchu. Okay, I will go now. Bye, Chichi.
Friends, today in this video, we learned addition and subtraction with the help of interesting conversation between Chichi and Chuchu. In the next video, we will understand some interesting things related to addition and subtraction.
Hey, Chuchu, what are you doing? Come, Chichi, let's both of us eat popcorn. Oh, wow, popcorn. Chuchu, let us find out who can eat more popcorn in 1 minute. Okay, let's eat. 1, 2, 3, start! Look, Chichi, I ate 40 popcorns. And I ate 28 popcorns. Oh, Gajanan uncle, you.
Chichi, which of you two ate more popcorn?
Uncle, Chuchu ate the most popcorn in 1 minute. That is 40. And I could eat only 28 popcorn.
Wow, Chuchu. Now, tell me how many more popcorn did you eat than Chichi?
To know about that, we will have to do the addition of 40 and 28.
Oh no, Chuchu, not addition, but you'll have to do subtraction.
Why subtraction? Yes, uncle, please teach us.
Okay, I will teach you. So children, today we will learn some interesting things related to the addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Choo-choo, how many popcorns did you eat in 1 minute?
I ate 40 popcorns in 1 minute.
And Chichi, you?
I ate 28 popcorns.
If I will ask that total how many popcorns did Choo-choo and Chichi ate, then to know that we will have to do the addition of 40 and 28.
But how would we know that we have to do addition?
When to do addition? Listen carefully. When we have to count things of two groups or we have to add things of one group to the things of the another group, then we have to do the addition. Or if you are asked total how many, then you have to do the addition.
And when to do subtraction?
When some of the objects of a group are removed, eaten, blown away, lost, etc., then we have to do subtraction. And when comparing things in two groups, how many less or how many more, to know all that, we also have to do subtraction.
Yes, so how many popcorns did I eat more than Chichi? To know that, I will subtract 2 10 and 8 ones means 28 from 4 10 means 40. So it will be 1 10 and 2 ones means 12.
Yes, so Choo-choo, you ate 12 more popcorns than Chichi.
Did you see, Chichi? I ate 12 more popcorns than you. I won!
Children, now you would have understood when to do addition and when to do subtraction.
Yes, Uncle. When we have to know the total number of things, we have to do addition.
And when we have to know how many things left from the total things, we have to do the subtraction.
Well done, children. Now you both play and I will go.
Bye, Uncle.
Friends, today we learned some interesting things related to addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. In the next video, we will learn about tracing of things in our surroundings.
Carryover additions, sums using groups of tens. Friends, in this video, we will learn to add numbers that are in groups of tens using the carryover method.
Hey, Choo-choo, you are looking very happy today.
Yes,
That's because I am going to the zoo. Can I also come along? Yes, sure. Let's get a bus ticket from there to go to the zoo. Yes, let's go.
please give us 2 tickets to the zoo.
You are older, so your ticket will be 48 rupees. And for this child, the ticket will be for 24 rupees.
So, Choo-choo, how many rupees do we have to pay in total?
For this, we have to add 24 to 48.
How do we do that?
48, that is 4 tens and 8 ones.
Similarly, 24 means 2 tens and 4 ones.
Now to add both these numbers, we have to place them in the tens and ones boxes. First, let's add the numbers in the ones place. We have to add 8 ones to 4 ones. So, count after 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12.
This means 8 ones and 4 ones add up to 12 ones.
Yes. So, from 12 ones, we will write 2 in the ones box and carry over 1 tens in the tens box.
Now when we add 1 and 4, we get 5 and adding 5 and 2, we get 7. Now 7 tens added to 2 ones makes 72. So we have to pay 72 rupees. Please take 72 rupees.
Take your ticket. Let us go and sit in the bus.
I'm enjoying the bus ride.
Let's go, Gigi. We have reached the zoo.
Do we have to buy a ticket here also?
Yes. Bhaiya, please give us 2 tickets.
Your ticket will cost 56 rupees and the younger child's ticket will cost 28 rupees.
Chichi, now tell me how much money do we have to pay in total?
56, that is 5 tens and 6 ones, and 28, that is 2 tens and 8 ones.
Well done. And then?
First of all, we will add the numbers in the ones place. 6 ones added to 8 ones will equal 14. This means 6 ones and 8 ones added together will equal 14 ones.
And out of 14 ones, we can form a group of 1 tens. So 14 has 1 tens and 4 ones. Now we have to write 4 in the ones box.
And we have to carry over 1 tens in the tens box. Now adding 1 and 5 will make 6. And 6 added to 2 will make 8. Now 8 tens and 4 ones, which means we have to give 84 rupees. Perfect answer. Please take 84 rupees. Take your ticket. Let's go inside.
Yes. Oh, this place looks like a lot of fun.
Yes, this is truly an enjoyable place.
Young friends, through this video, we learn to add numbers by making groups of tens using the carryover method. Now in the next video, we will see examples of adding of 2-digit numbers with the carryover method. Children, in this video, we will see some interesting examples of adding numbers using the carryover method with the help of groups of tens.
We had great fun in the zoo yesterday.
And we learned a lot as well.
Yes. Give me some more examples to practice.
Look, here are 2 abacus. With the help of the abacus beads, try to identify the numbers and add them.
In the first abacus, in the tens box, there are 7 beads. This makes it 7 tens, that is 70. And in ones box, there are 4 beads, which makes it 4 ones, that is 4. Now to add 4 to 70, count after 70. 71, 72, 73 and 74.
Well done. And in the second abacus, in the tens box, there is 1 bead. This makes it 1 tenth. In the ones box, there are 7 beads. That is 7 ones. So adding 1 tens and 7 makes 17.
Now we have to add 74 and 17.
But before that, we have to write both the numbers in the ones tens boxes.
Yes, after writing both the numbers in this way, in the ones tens boxes, adding 4 and 7 in ones box makes 11. 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones. We have to write 1 ones in the ones box and carry over 1 tens.
Now we have to add the numbers in the tens box to the carryover number.
Adding 7 to the carryover number, 1 will equal 8 and adding 1 to 8 will equal 9. So we have to write 9 in the tens box.
74 added to 17 will give us a total of 91.
Yes. While adding, we have to first add the numbers in the ones box. And then we have to add the numbers in the tens box along with the carryover number. Yes, let's go now.
Children, I hope you were able to identify the abacus numbers as well as learn how to add 2-digit numbers using the carryover method. In the next video, we will learn some interesting facts about adding 2-digit numbers with the carryover method. Children, today in this video, through Chi-Chi and Choo-Choo's conversation, we will understand some interesting facts related to making groups of tens and adding these numbers using the carryover method. Hey Chi-Chi, help me count these coins.
Yes, sure, Choo-Choo.
In this pile of coins, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 coins of 10 rupees, which is 40 rupees, and 3 coins of 2 rupees, that is 6 rupees. So 40 and 6, there are 46 rupees.
In this pile of coins, there are 1, 2 and 3 coins of 10 rupees, which is 30 rupees. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 1 rupee coins. So there are 30 and 5 35 rupees.
So what is the total amount in both the piles of coins?
To find that out, we have to write both the numbers in the ones and tens boxes. To add 5 to 6 in the ones box, count after 6. That is 7, 8, 9, 10 and we will get 11. Well done. So 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones. We will write 1 ones in the ones box and carry over 1 tens and write it this way in the tens box.
Well done.
Now in the box of tens, adding 4 and 3 will make 7.
Hey, Chi-Chi, you did not count the carryover written in the tens box.
Oh, I made a mistake. Adding the carryover 1 in the tens box to 4 makes 5. And adding 5 and 3 makes 8.
Now you counted right.
The total amount is 81. Very good, Chichi.
But now, while doing addition, don't forget to count the carryover number as well.
I will definitely remember. You also please remember this.
Children, in this video, we learned how to correct the mistakes that we make while adding. In the next video, we will learn subtraction through borrowing of groups of tens.
Forming two-digit numbers using bundles of 10 place value. Children, today in this video, we will learn to form two-digit numbers using bundles of 10. Children, in the last video, we learned to make groups of tens and write the numbers in tens and ones boxes. Today we will carry forward that topic. Look, here are some jars filled with marbles. Let us count. The first jar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles. This means that this is one group of tens. Billy, you count the marbles in the second jar.
Yes, ma'am. In the second jar, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles.
Yes, that is correct. So there are 10 and 10, 20, two groups of tens. Now look, here in the third jar, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles. So, this makes it 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30. Three groups of tens. Now Lily, you count the marbles in the fourth jar.
In the fourth jar, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 marbles.
Absolutely right. So these are 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30, 30 and 10, 40. Four groups of tens. This fifth jar also has 10 marbles. This makes it 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30, 30 and 10, 40, 40 and 10, 50. Five groups of tens. Look, the sixth jar also has 10 marbles. This makes it 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30, 30 and 10, 40, 40 and 10, 50, 50 and 10, 60. So, these are 6 groups of tens. Now, you tell me, Lily, how many groups of tens do we have?
We have 6 groups of 10 marbles each.
That's right. This is why we will write 6 in the tens box here. Now, you tell me, Billy, how many marbles are there in the seventh jar?
Ma'am, the seventh jar is empty.
Yes, there is not even one marble in the seventh jar. So we have to write 0 in the ones box. Now, We have 6 in the tens box, which means 60, and 0 in the ones box, which means there is not even one marble there. So there are 60 marbles in total. Understood, children? A group of 10 objects is called one group of tens. Similarly, whatever is the number of groups you have to write that number in the tens box. And when there is not even one object in the group, you have to write 0 in the ones box.
We understood.
Now look, in this empty 7 jar, I am putting some marbles in it. Now tell me, Lily, how many marbles are there in total?
Here in the first 6 jars, there are groups of 10 marbles each. That means there are 6 groups of 10 marbles each. That is why in the tens box, we have to write 6.
Well done, Lily.
Now in the 7 jar, we have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 marbles. So in the ones box, we have to write 8.
Well done, Billy. But my question was, how many marbles are there in total?
Here in the tens box, there is 6, which means 60 marbles. And in the ones box, there is 8. That means there are 8 marbles. That is why there are 60 and 8, 68 marbles in total.
Yes, well done. Now look, children, I will teach you how to expand 68 into 2 parts. 68 has 6 tens and 8 ones. So 6 tens means we have to write 60 and 8 ones means we have to write 8 here. Come on, Billy. Now try to expand and tell the numbers written here on the board.
28 has 2 tens and 8 ones. So 28's expansion is 20 and 8.
Very good, children. Now see you in the next class. Children, in this video, you learn to expand 2-digit numbers and write it in boxes of tens and ones. In the next video, through examples, we will learn how to expand 2-digit numbers and understand it well. Children, in this video, we will learn to form 2-digit numbers using bundles through some interesting examples. Children, in the last class you had learnt to form numbers in the groups of tens.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us see through some examples how much you remember. Look, there is an abacus given here. You have to look at it and form a number. Lily, you tell us.
In the abacus given here, in the tens box, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 beads. So in the tens box, we have to write 7.
Very good.
Now in the ones box in the abacus, there are 1, 2 and 3 beads. So in the ones box, we have to write 3.
Well done.
Now here in the tens box, 7 tens means 70 and in the ones box, 3 ones means 3. So adding 70 and 3 makes it number 73.
Absolutely correct. Now how will you expand 73 into 2 parts?
73 means 7 tens and 3 ones, meaning its 2 parts will be 70 and 3.
Well done. Now let us look at the second example. Look, Billy, here we have to count one small block as 1. Now tell me, what number do all these blocks represent?
Here in the first big block, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 small blocks, means
there is 1 tens. Well done, Billy.
Similarly, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups of 10 blocks each. So, 6 tens makes 60. Now there are 2 small blocks, which means there are 2 ones.
Very good.
Now adding 2 to 60, here we have 60 and 2, giving us number 62.
Now, how will you expand 62 into 2 parts?
62 means 6 tens and 2 ones. That means the 2 parts will be 60 and 2.
Absolutely right, Billy. Children, you saw Lily Billy form 2-digit numbers with the help of abacus and blocks. In the next video, we will understand some interesting facts about forming 2-digit numbers with the help of bundles of tens. Children, today we will learn interesting facts about forming 2-digit numbers using bundles, place value. Children, can you make bundles of tens out of these 43 ice cream sticks?
But ma'am, these are 43 ice cream sticks. How can we make bundles of tens out of these?
Let me explain. There are 43 ice cream sticks. First of all, make one bundle of tens out of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here is one bundle of tens. Come on, Billy. Now make the second bundle of tens from the remaining sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
This is the second bundle of tens. Now form the remaining bundles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Look, we made a third bundle of tens also. Lily, now you say whether you can make another bundle of tens from the remaining sticks or not.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ma'am, this has also become a bundle of 10.
Good. Now we have 4 bundles of tens. Who will count further?
I will count 1, 2 and 3.
Here is the 5th bundle of tens. Hey Billy, what is this? Bundles of tens means that group must have 10 objects. Here there are only 3 sticks, so we cannot make a bundle of 10 with them. It means that to make a bundle of tens, a total of 10 objects are to be kept in one group together. Yes. How many groups of tens are there?
There are 4 groups of tens, meaning 4 tens.
4 tens means 40. Now besides the bundles of tens, how many sticks are left?
There are 3 sticks left.
Adding 1, 2 and 3 to 40 makes 43. Children, remember a group of tens mean a group of 10 objects.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, today we learned interesting facts about forming 2-digit numbers using bundles of tens. In the next video, we will learn adding numbers through grouping.